All right, here is the old 7294. Here's a new one. So I have my meter on continuity, and this is the negative volts in and the speaker output. I'm not getting any continuity on that, but on the old one, I'm getting continuity. So yeah, I'm getting shorts on this from voltage positive to the output, speaker output, but not on this one. So I'm gonna put some paste on here, stick it on, and solder it and see what happens. Might as well film it. That's the chip we're looking at. I installed it there. I'm going to power switches on of the amp. I have just the high voltage hooked up, and I'm turning on the voltage, and I'm looking for amps. Oh, I got 25 volts, no amps. This is good. Not showing any amps. 44 volts. All right, no smoke. I have my face covered. All right, we're at half voltage right now. So what I'm gonna do, and I have no amps drawing from it yet, which is good. So I don't have a short. I'm gonna turn that off, turn this off. I'm gonna put this amp back together and fucking turn it on. I'm at 87 volts right now, and I'm getting dirty and clean. Wow, let's go up to, we're at 100 volts. Ooh, sounds good. Reverb. I'll call that